The Takahe is a large, flightless, ground-dwelling bird native to New Zealand, famous for being rediscovered in 1948 after being thought extinct. Known for their vibrant blue-green plumage and thick bright red beak and a red frontal shield on their forehead, they are the world's largest ground-dwelling birds, standing at 50 centimeters tall and weighing up to 4.2 kg. Although they have wings, they cannot fly. These birds are monogamous and pair for life and are highly territorial, social distancing experts, maintaining large territories like up to 1.5-mile radius and rarely interact with their neighbors. They are mostly herbivores, eating juicy inner stem of tussock grass. As of 2026, they are classified as endangered with numbers under 500. They freeze up when threatened as camouflaging, but their bright feathers make them vulnerable to predators as they cannot fly.